Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings today. We are already in the electioneering period. A lot of persons are of the opinion that the presidency should be zoned to Southeast, and some persons are of the opinion as well that this issue of presidency come 2023 from Igbo extraction may just be a fluke, that they should just go ahead and get Biafra exited out of Nigeria. But as we speak, prominent groups from Southeast are beginning to lend their voices, but one of the voices is really very strong. But before we go to the news proper, to outline everything they have said concerning their fate in Nigeria, their fate in the issue of Igbo presidency, and their slot for vice president, I'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. What the most popular and the most topical and popular issue in Southeast today is the realization of a Nigerian president from the region. Though some people believe that restructuring of the federation is what the Igbo needs at the moment, there are those clamoring for Nigerian president of Igbo extraction. To this end, the Apex Igbo socio-cultural body Ohaneze Ndigbo has formed a non-partisan political action committee to push for the realization of the lofty dream. Many Igbo groups and leaders, including Igbo World Assembly (IWA), Nzuko Umonna Coalition of Southeast Youth Leaders (COSEYL), as well as the former national chairman of People's Democratic Party (PDP), Dr. Okekwesilieze Nwodo, have recently spoken in support of the president of Southeast extraction in 2023. Announcing the setting up of the committee in Enugu on Wednesday, President General of Ohaneze, George Obiozor, said it would deploy persuasion in reaching out to key political actors across the country as well as other critical stakeholders and leaders. According to him, and I quote, "Persuasion team would recognize those that are critical in Nigeria, including our own people. They will also talk to our people here that are aspiring for the presidency. The team is non-partisan and non-political. We will try to reach everybody on the need for the Southeast to produce the next president." He urged that the basis for any viable democracy, especially in a diverse and complex country such as Nigeria, rests on fair and even sharing of power. He lamented that the twin devil of power sharing and social justice has held Nigeria back and is about leading to its dismemberment. He restated that Igbo were not secessionists or separatists, adding that they were prepared and deserved the presidency because it is politically defensible and morally justifiable. The Ohaneze leader declared that anybody working against emergence of Igbo president does not wish Nigeria well, because according to him, only the Igbo man can save the country at this critical period. He stated that the current series of national crises facing the country were enough to bring it to its knees. Investigation shows that Obiozor and the body he represents are not alone in this particular thinking. Former Governor of Enugu State, Dr. Okekwesilieze Nwodo, said that the Southeast has waited for close to 60 years for justice to be done in this area. He pointed out that the Igbo have supported other regions in the past and deserved all the backing and cooperation of other Nigerians. He appeared on a national television on Thursday to beg other Nigerians to forgive Igbo for any sin they might have committed and give the people a chance at the presidency. He asked, "What has the Southeast actually done to merit all of this? Is it that we lack people that can rule Nigeria? Or is there a crime we have committed that this punishment is not yet over?" I think our countrymen should have a conscience, and I believe that this country has a conscience. Alluding to the redressing of the injustice meted out to the Yorubas on June 12 presidential election. He said yes, there was injustice in June 12. The next opportunities that came up after Abacha suspended June 12, and when he left office, at the next election, justice was done to the people of Southwest. PDP nominated Olusegun Obasanjo, even though Ogbonnaya Onu won the nomination in the opposition party. He had to yield to Olufalaye. This country has conscience. We don't know why that conscience takes a flight. When it comes to Southeast, we think that we need that conscience to wake up, and we need all right-thinking people of Nigeria who want to heal the wounds of yesterday, who want us to march together in unity and develop our country. To yield this position at this time in all parties to the Southeast. Speaking similarly, Chairman of Igbo World Assembly, Dr. Nwachukwu Nnakweze noted that the Igbo have demonstrated the highest virtues of patriotism and genuine nationalistic propensities in the history of Nigeria from Nnamdi Azikiwe to the present. Now, addressing the Nigerian Inter-Ethnic Nationalities Dialogue on Presidency of Igbo Extraction in 2023, he noted that by history and character, what defines Ndigbo is friendliness and peaceful coexistence with others regardless of tribe, religion, or race. Ndigbo, he noted, are market people, travelers, entrepreneurs, or businessmen. He urged that all regions of Nigeria has produced presidents except for Southeast, stating that it is now the turn of the region to provide good leadership for the good of all Nigerians so as to move the country in a positive direction. He raised the alarm of plots by some presidential aspirants to thwart the aspiration of Southeast by getting vice president from the southern part of the country. He said that Southeast was poised for the position of president and nothing less, adding that any betrayal would be against the national interest. Speaking on the same vein, Southeast youth vowed to move against anybody from the zone that is angling for the position of vice president in 2023, according to President General Coalition of Southeast Youth Leaders, COSL. Goodluck Ibem, the zone will not accept any position of vice president. We want one of our own to be elected president in 2023. He said nothing more, nothing less. Ndigbo has worked hard towards the development of Nigeria and desires to be supported to occupy the number one seat in the country. The group commended Ohaneze Ndigbo for forming the Political Action Committee chaired by its president Obiozo with its Secretary General Ambassador Oke Amuche as secretary. He pleaded with the committee to ensure that those to be selected as members are people of high integrity, patriotism, proven track record, and wide political contact across the country. He also asked it to stand firm and work assiduously to ensure the Southeast geopolitical zone is supported by other zones to produce the president of Nigeria come 2023. Wow, this spoke quite a lot, and they're just asking, what have they done? If they have committed any crime, they are sorry, they are begging for the forgiveness of that sin.